So we're going to start off here by talking about what exactly are tangent lines. And so from geometry, you may remember, let's say that we have a circle like this. If we draw a tangent line, well, this is a line that touches a curve at exactly one point. Now, I'm going to draw the circle again, and this time I'll draw a line that looks like this, that intersects the circle at 2 points. And here we're going to call this a secant line. And this is a line that touches a curve at more than 1 point. And so if we're going to calculate the slope of a secant line, we'll call that m. We would calculate that as m is equal to the rise over the run, which if we were to put mathematically, this would be equal to y1 minus y over x1 minus x. And to show you what I mean by that, let's go ahead and just draw a graph, and let's go ahead and draw a line here. And let's mark some points on the graph here. We have an x right here, and we have an x1 right here, and we have a y, and we have a y1. And so if we were to calculate the slope of this line, we'll call that m, we would say that m is equal to y1 minus y over x1 minus x. So now we're going to do something different. We're going to call the distance between x1 and x, we're going to call that h. And what that allows us to do is, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here for a second. If we say that y is equal to f of x and y1 is equal to f of x1, well, we can go ahead and now say that x1 is equal to x plus h. We can do a little bit of substitution now. And from this, we can say, I'll scroll down here. And so from this, we can say a couple of things. We can say that the slope is equal to y1 minus y over x1 minus x. Well, that's going to be equal to f of x1 minus f of x over x1 minus x. And that is going to be equal to f of x plus h minus f of x divided by x plus h minus x. And so now we can write, and I'll write that over here, the slope of a secant line can be written as m is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And so this is going to be the definition for a secant line that we will use.